Hi everyone. So in the previous section, we have seen how to select columns and rows in Pandas DataFrame. So in this section, we will check how to select or filter the data based on our condition. So from in Pandas DataFrame. So with the help of query function. So let us show our data frame first. So this is our data frame. Okay. So now if we want to check that we only take that the country of Hungary, I want to select. So how we'll do? So then we'll put query function and we first will the double quotes and then we'll put the country equal country equal Hungary. So now if I execute, now you see only Hungary data has been showing. Okay. Now if I want to check that in multiple ways, so now if I want to do that query and query and country not in. So country not in and check that Hungary. Okay. So without Hungary, I need all the data. So now you see there is no Hungary, all the state data has come. Again, if I want to do query uh, like this way, also after that you can put a head like here and 2 or 3 records. You can do it here. So after that, also after that, if you want to select only that columns, so specific columns, so here you can select like this customer name, customer name, segment, and state. You can select, but it's giving an error because we need to put in the double square bracket. Yeah. So that in this way you can also filter the data after query. So now again, let's say we need to query that our profit greater than something. So first we need to check the info, that data type. Yeah, so profit is in float value. And so if I select that query that our profit greater than equal to 100, if I put like this, will it work? Yeah. So now you see profit one greater than 100. So we can put a head here and 5 records we can select like this way. Okay. And if I copy the symbol here and I putting another condition and if I put end condition again and profit less than 500, so reaching what? Okay, sorry, we have not put this one. So in this way you can do and a multiple condition you can put here. So right now we have seen that how to do this. Also if I copy again and we'll see and profit, instead of profit if I put the shipping cost greater than, oh sorry, we have here done a wrong thing, so we need to put less than equal. Okay, because I'm putting a range. Okay, and cost is less than shipping cost is less than 5,000. So like this. Sorry, I have put 500 or 5,000. Okay, now you see how to actually filter the data. Also, in another way, we can filter data also. So let us check. Hit 5 is very long, so I'm putting is okay. df5 equal to query, and if I put that, sorry, country, country in, if I put country in like Algeria or Australia or Iraq. So if I put here, and if I put this way, it will also give you the data. Only you see that only country is showing that Algeria and Iraq. And also you can put the same way also not in. Okay, so not in. So instead of this, rest of the things are rest of the countries are showing. So now you have seen how to filter the data with the help of query function of pandas.